What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and there you can see a 2.1 home theater that's from Zebronics, and this is a very old one. And today I'm gonna do the sound test with that Philips one right there. That also a 2.1 home theater, but that is quite bigger in size. That thing has a 6.25-inch subwoofer, but this thing has a 4-inch subwoofer. But this thing has a smaller subwoofer, but still this thing sounds very good. But one problem with that thing, this thing doesn't have any subwoofer controller. So at a high volume, the subwoofer like it distort a bit, and these two are the channel speakers, the left and right. So I kept it like that because the Philips one right there is fixed there, it's all set up, and I cannot move that right now. And the subwoofer is there, and the channels are right there beside the monitor on the top. So I kept the Zebronics subwoofer on the floor, and the channels at the top, just like the Philips one. So this way you can understand the bass and the highs the same way, the Philips and the Zebronics. So let's start with that one.
I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the